Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade L7, and today I'll show you how to set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, like so, and from here you'll find the button Do Not Disturb. You can either tap on it to enable it as it is set by default, which in this case it gives you a little menu with couple options. So you have a time period, which you can see right here for an hour. You can actually add additional hours, 2, 3, 4, depending how long you want it to be enabled. Then you have tabs like this, priority only, or total silence. So you can choose whichever one you want, and from here just adjust the time that you want. Just disable this. So total silence works as well. Total silence, nothing basically gets through. Alarms only, use the alarm, and priority only. It's defined by the user. So that is basically how you would enable it in a quick way. Now you can also set it up to be enabled automatically, so you don't actually have to do anything. It will enable at specific time and disable at a specific time every day of the week that you choose to. So I'm just gonna disregard this right now and go to set it up by holding the button Do Not Disturb mode. Let me just disable it. And okay, so apparently in this case, guess we have to go to more settings. Normally you can hold it and it takes you to the actual page of Do Not Disturb mode in the settings. So from here you have the priority only allows, and as you can see you have a couple options that you can change. So reminders, events, those are enabled by default. You can disable them, so when Do Not Disturb mode is on, those two won't actually go through. Then you have messages, none, meaning that you won't get notifications or any kind of signal or upon receiving a message, which you can choose. So you have 4 different options. You have none, which is set right now. You have from anybody, or anyone, which basically defeats the purpose of this. Contacts only, so everybody that is on your contact list will be able to message you. And steered contacts are, well, it's a description of basically your favorite contacts. So whoever you have added as a favorite contact will be able to reach you. So whichever one you choose, it's completely up to you. So for instance, favorite ones, there we go. And calls have the same treatment. Anybody, contacts, steered or none. Again, preference, whichever one you choose. And then you have additional option right here. So no matter what you choose right here will be disregarded by the repeat callers. And how it works is, person calls second time within 15 minutes. So this one is quite actually lengthy, 15-minute period time. There's different ones where it's like 3 minutes, but basically what it allows you to do when you check this on, and even though you would have said that no one can reach you at the moment, if the same number calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you the second time if this is on, which basically disregards whatever it's set right here. So again, a matter of preference. If you want it to be on, it's more of a emergency kind of thing. So if someone calls you twice quickly, you'll be able to know that they're, I guess, really need something, but it might just be a spam. So whatever you choose here will be then affected in the priority only setting altogether. And then you have also automatic rules. If you go here, you can set a specific basically schedule for it. You have couple weekend and weeknights, or you can add your own. So time rule, name it, whatever. Okay, and from here, once you actually go into it, you have additional options. So days, you can choose each day that you want it to be working in. So I can set it to something like a work time. So when I'm working, I don't want to be disturbed. So Monday through Friday. Start time, I'm gonna choose 9. There it is. And end time at 5. So right here. Okay. And do not disturb. You have the three options that we had previously, so total silence, alarms, or priority, which I would choose priority, considering you have more options there, which to customize it to the way you want it. And once you're satisfied, all you need to do is just go back. And as you can see right now, actually let me go back to it quickly. You can see right now it's already enabled. So make sure that this is on, and now you don't have to bother anymore with the check right here. It will automatically turn on and off at specific times that you have set. So that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.